In the journey of innovation and development, we have consistently demonstrated remarkable progress and achievements. In this dynamic company, SAKO people are constantly innovating to bring you high-quality power at new energy products. Founded in 1993, in registering the SAKO brand in 1997, SAKO is dedicated to its presence in the new energy storage field. With 31 years development, SAKO has been the leader of this industry. With outstanding quality and premium service, SAKO becomes well-known brand and gain good reputation globally. SAKO Company has been awarded the National High-Tech Enterprise certification and obtained various authoritative certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, TUV, CE, CB, VDE, and MSDS. Its trademark is registered in more than 140 countries, significantly enhancing its brand influence. Headquartered located in Shenzhen, SAKO has factories in Dongguan and Zhejiang, with 80 professional engineers and 600 employees, covering the area of over 80,000 square meters. SAKO always adheres to professionalism to build trust and continuously injects new vitality into the energy storage field. The company focuses on off-grid inverters, lithium batteries, photovoltaic modules, and energy storage system, with a complete production system and a strong R&D team. SAKO pays close attention to attract outstanding technical talents globally to enhance its team, which provides strong guarantees to offer comprehensive power solutions and related services. In recent years, the core products of SAKO have been independently produced, equipped with advanced production equipment and management teams, strictly controlling each process to ensure the quality and reliability. Quality is the heart of our production. The company strictly implements the quality management system to ensure that each product meets the highest standards, providing reliable assurance for customers. We are committed to intelligent production, improving production efficiency, reducing energy consumption, and achieving sustainable development through advanced data analysis and intelligent control systems. SAKO Company focuses on the R&D of high-quality products, launching an average of 3 to 5 new products each year, responding quickly to market demands, and providing customized products and solutions. The main products include off-grid hybrid solar inverters, lithium iron phosphate batteries, energy storage system, photovoltaic modules, etc., providing efficient energy storage solutions for residential, commercial, and industrial use. We also support customized solutions for various customers. Currently, SAKO has over 160 partners, more than 50 global agents, 15 international after-sales service centers and warehouses, serving over 6,000 customers in 89 countries and regions, providing high-quality services to global customers and establishing an excellent international market sales network. Nowadays, the age focuses on technology and environmental protection. SAKO team are driving a green energy revolution through innovation. The company is committed to becoming a leading brand in the energy storage field, providing efficient and reliable energy storage solutions to global customers through continuous technological breakthroughs and product innovations, jointly promoting the application and development of green energy.
Hello everyone, welcome to SAKO. This is SAKO Jenny. We are looking for the agent in the world. Do you want to join SAKO family? Welcome.
SAKO品牌创建于1997年，到现在已经有28年的历史。我们坚持扎根在电源行业，为世界经济的发展贡献了中国力量。我们有3个坚持：一、坚持产品领先，我们的愿景是成为市场的领导者；第二，坚持技术领先，持续创新， 保持技术的领先；第三，坚持服务领先，提供优质服务，满足全球的用户需求。我们致力于将平权太阳能带到全世界。
In the next 5 years, SAKO people will adhere to ingenuity and accumulate strength in the field of solar energy storage systems. Through professional marketing, R&D, and manufacturing, they will build a globally renowned brand, bringing green energy into thousands of households and sharing a cleaner and brighter future. We deeply understand that every technological leap is heartfelt declaration of the environmental costs. Therefore, we continue to explore and move forward and use actions to prove our love and commitment to green energy.
Global.